I'm about to show you how you can make high-impact leads and sales-generating videos very easily, and 17 times faster by simply pasting text from a script and clicking a few buttons. And yes, you'll be able to bring leads in and sell any product or service for any niche. Plus, you do not need any technical or sales video creation experience at all. Oh, I'll even teach you how you can profit from selling these videos. Hi, it's Andrew, and today I'm going to share with you new software called Sales Video Creator, which we've been working on for the past 15 months. It is solving the biggest problem every business, entrepreneur, and marketer has right now, which is making impactful sales and leads videos which actually can bring customers in and sell both products and services. Sales Video Creator is a new, first-of-its-kind, groundbreaking app, which allows you to make lead-generating, full-length sales videos 17 times faster, just from a text script, without the need for any creative intuition or experience at all. It's that easy. It allows even complete beginners to generate professional leads and sales videos with just a few simple mouse clicks. For 3 decades, I've been building businesses and selling products. For 2 decades, I've been developing and releasing some of the highest, most sought-after marketing automation and video tools in the market. I release products and software that continue to help to automate and grow your online business and make you more money. And through those decades, there has been one thing that I recognize as the main factor that can make or break your business. It is sales, which bring money in. While products must be good and useful themselves, it is actual sales of the products which makes business successful. Powerful sales videos that help you make more sales are now more important than ever. 92% of top-selling products on the largest digital products marketplace online sell more and have higher conversion because of sales videos. The leads or sales video goal is simple: to help you engage with your visitors and to get them taking action. It could be entering their email addresses or pulling out their credit card. This is done by videos just like the one you're watching right now. With Sales Video Creator, the making of this very sales video took us a tiny fraction of time we spent on previous, similar length sales videos, for which we used a different video creating app. There are some great video tools on the market, but the main problem is you are still sinking a lot of time into creating each sales video, and it still requires creative intuition to create those videos. The main reason why it takes so long with other tools is because they are designed to make all kinds of videos, while Sales Video Creator is specifically designed to make leads and sales videos in a breeze. Sales and leads generating video purpose is not wowing your audience with award-winning animation masterpiece, but to get a sale or a lead. Creating sales video in all-in-one video apps is like using a Swiss Army knife to open a sturdy can instead of a can opener. Yes, with enough effort applied, it is possible to open even a thick metal can with a Swiss Army knife, but why not make your life easier and stop wasting time by switching to a can opener instead? Especially when you have to repeat the task over and over again. Sales Video Creator isn't designed to replace every other video software out there. Its purpose is to create high-impact leads and sales videos in minutes faster and better than any other tool. That's why today, I'm extremely excited to introduce to you Sales Video Creator. It allows even complete beginners to generate leads and sales videos with a bare minimum of effort. It is because Sales Video Creator highly automates the entire process, so you can generate those videos in a tiny fraction of the time and cost it takes with other tools. Money loves speed, and Sales Video Creator can give you a break from those long hours upon hours typically needed to make strong sales video with all-in-one video apps. Sales Video Creator saves you a ton of time and money without sacrificing quality. You can create powerful sales videos without the need for very expensive specialty software that takes days to learn. You don't have to hire an outsourcer and pay $1,000 for your next sales video. A single minute of finished, edited sales video can easily cost you $200 or more. And on top of that, it takes a lot of time of going back and forth with the outsourcer with all the changes you want to make. When you need a few videos per month, it is not efficient to use freelancers or even Slow Animation's heavy tool because of cost and time required to produce the sales video. With Sales Video Creator, you can shorten what used to take hours upon hours to just minutes. Sales Video Creator is extremely fast and way easier to use than pretty much any graphical animation heavy software on the market. Since you're still watching this video, chances are you know how powerful these sales videos are, and you're ready to discover how I can help you save money and generate your own sales videos in just minutes. With Sales Video Creator, you do not need any video creation experience at all to generate these high-impact sales videos. Here's how easy Sales Video Creator is to use. Step 1. Paste your script and select font. Step 2. Add voiceover or use text-to-speech engine. Step 3. Generate. That's it. Those 3 steps will have you generating your next high-impact sales video in minutes. These videos can help you increase engagement, generate more leads, and boost sales. And the best part? With the commercial license, you can generate as many sales videos as you want. Plus, you can even sell them and keep 100% of the profits. Imagine taking just minutes to generate these videos for your potential clients or becoming a freelance sales video creator on popular sites like Upwork or freelancer.com and charging $200 for a minute or more. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how easy such sales video is to create, so let's jump right in. Alright, here we are in the Sales Video Creator desktop software. The first thing you'll notice is how easy and well laid out Sales Video Creator is. We'll start by creating a new project. Then we will choose background and text color and click Next. Then we'll paste some text and click Next, then Next again. Now we will add an image for the first slide, resize and reposition it, and choose Next Slide. Here we will add a background image, like that. Then change the text color to white and select the next slide. We'll add another image here also, resize and reposition it, then hit Next. Here we will import a new voiceover audio, then play the audio and mark where the slides end. You'll be able to create videos with ease in multiple different styles. Just one 5-minute video would take you minutes to make. Good. Now let's publish the video and see what we've got. With Sales Video Creator, you'll be able to create videos with ease in multiple different styles. Just one 5-minute video would take you minutes to make. That looks perfect. As you just saw, in minutes, you can have a perfect sales video like this. Sales Video Creator is an easy-to-use yet very powerful app that anyone can use. Today, I'm excited to be releasing Sales Video Creator to the world. With included commercial license, you can generate videos for yourself and sell these videos to potential clients and keep 100% of the profits. It comes with everything you need to get started in generating powerful sales videos in minutes, and there are no restrictions. No experience or technical skills are necessary. And you can even sell these videos to your clients and start charging hundreds of dollars. Or you can use them to attract and engage leads and make sales. We're going to give you instant access to the software you just saw in the demo. Plus, on top of the Sales Video Creator software you just watched in the demo, we're going to give you step-by-step tutorials so you never get lost. And last but not least, we'll give you access to our closed-door community of thousands of video creators just like yourself to help you get feedback and get access to like-minded users. All the details are below. Simply click on the Get Sales Video Creator button below and get your copy of the newest desktop software that makes highly engaging, professional sales videos in a matter of minutes. Download your copy of Sales Video Creator today, and I'll see you on the other side. Oh, and of course, you're fully protected by our no questions asked guarantee. We're so extremely confident you'll love Sales Video Creator that we'll let you take it for a full test drive. And if, within guarantee period, you're not fully satisfied for whatever reason, just contact us and we'll be happy to give you every penny back. But we already know you're going to absolutely love Sales Video Creator. So go ahead, the button is right below this video. Grab your copy today. We really look forward to seeing the videos that you can create, helping you capture, engage, and get more leads and make more sales. Lucky for you, Sales Video Creator is going to give you the unfair advantage over your competition. Grab your copy of Sales Video Creator today. We'll see you on the other side. Alright, here we are in the Sales Video Creator desktop software. The first thing you'll notice is how easy and well laid out Sales Video Creator is. We'll start by creating a new project. Then we will choose background and text color and click Next. Then we'll paste some text and click Next, then Next again. Now we will add an image for the first slide, resize and reposition it, and choose Next Slide. Here we will add a background image, like that. Then change the text color to white and select the next slide. We'll add another image here also, resize and reposition it, then hit Next. Here we will import a new voiceover audio, then play the audio and mark where the slides end. You'll be able to create videos with ease in multiple different styles. Just one 5-minute video would take you minutes to make. Good. Now let's publish the video and see what we've got. With Sales Video Creator, you'll be able to create videos with ease in multiple different styles. Just one 5-minute video would take you minutes to make. That looks perfect.